today I'm going to be doing another social experiment. So so I'm going to go and create an account up. So I will be giving this account away if you would like it. So yeah, I'm just going to create a new account up, and then I'm going to just like troll people basically. Name is going to be Lily. I'm the real bad smiles 873. And then the password, guys. Just in case if you don't think I'm like actually doing the password will be Rex123. We'll copy it and then I will paste it into here. See, you know I'm lying. So if I keep going right off the actual site, me and my friend are talking about Roblox right now. She wants me to add her and all that, so I might be going on Roblox on and off again to see if like she's accepted it or something. Yeah, sorry about that. I decided to say that so I didn't get like any hate comments or anything. Okay, so yeah, no one cares about your picture star, so just don't go away, please. Okay, I'm not gonna get any coins because that's up to you guys when you get this account. I'm just gonna go on to this chat room quickly. Yeah, whatever pixie star, just go away. So we're going to just change my outfit quickly, guys. Quickly. Let's get rid of all this. Guys, you shouldn't be looking at naked women. Don't do it. I don't know anymore. Let's go into here. No, I know we're not gonna have glasses, we're gonna have this big puffy hair, because I think it's cute. And we're gonna have a flower crown. And then we're gonna have these. I want to be ended, I'll give you an auto on MSP. Yeah. That was my last video I did, if you're wondering. So I look kind of gangster and kind of emo, if you know what I mean. But I don't look bad, so it's fine. So I'm going to quickly go on to send my main account. I'm gonna put, okay, do you want to be entered for VIP and greet? If you didn't see my last post, I am actually doing a giveaway. So this isn't a fake, guys. This isn't the person pretending to be me, which is my actual backup account. What? Okay, never mind. Then we're going to go on to chat. Going to cafe. Okay. Shout out to this girl, and I always give her shout out because, like, yeah. So we're going to request someone who doesn't look like a noob. Oh my god, she's there. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god, hi. She just joined my thing. Okay. Maybe we should do it on her. Let's see. Actually, no. I don't need to hate on her. Tired of this game. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna ask him. Oh my god, he moves closer to me. Okay. Ah! Send him a phone call. Oh, I can't have any more friends. I'm gonna send him a hi. Hey! And then I'm going to search his name up. So his name is Bros. That's a weird name. Bros Boy 123. Bros Boy 123. Level 16. Nice. I'm not gonna message him yet. He isn't replying, so we're just gonna go for another person. Maybe we should actually go for her. So her name is Slime. Slime 65 7. And if you're wondering why my name is Bad Smileys 873, I know it's really weird. It's because I didn't think that you had star coins the app. What? So he's replied, so we ain't gonna talk to him, we're gonna talk to her. So I put hey. She'll probably reply back because my name is I'm the real Bad Smiley, so she'll probably be like, this is one of her YouTube videos. I'm gonna put I'm a fan of Bad Smiley 873. Subbed to her. I'm the real one. I'm not fake. So, I'm actually gonna laugh. Is he asking for my Snapchat? Are you asking for my Snapchat? Oh my god! Oh my god! I need to listen to this. I'm gonna put, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. This boy is messaging me. He's asking for my Snapchat. Oh my god, guys. S-chat. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna have to end this video